Alright, so I just did a quick pre-ride on Richmond Flow Trail at Richmond Park in Grand Rapids. This is a wild trail, far beyond my skill level, but I'll still go re-ride it. Maybe I'll hit a couple of little drops, maybe a couple of small jumps. This is wildly fast moving. Parked right here off Garfield Avenue, looks like. Taking the connector trail on up in there. Alright, the boss is calling. I'm gonna cut out for a second. Alright, I'm back. That was the boss. Wanted to talk about the derby car that we're buying this year for the Demolition Derby. Guess who gets to drive? Yeah, that's me. Okay, yeah, there we go. All right. The connector's a little bit of work to get up here. Definitely takes longer to get up to the top of the trail than it does to ride down the whole dang thing. Catch my breath a second. Dropper stays down for this whole ride. Sandy up top. Do this little drop here. Fast, fast, fast. Not doing anything like that. Most of these little tabletops are rollable. Bumped the tail end up on that one. Fast on that one. Oh. Missed this one last time too. That's a steep creek bank. Hard clay. Wipeouts would really hurt on this. Holy crap. That's all of it. That is a wicked ride.